If you are looking for a simple office key handover format to hand over the office keys after your exit or as a part of your handover process, then this is the best format that you can use. I will give the blank formats of this form in the Word and PDF formats. You can download them from this web page. I will give the link in the video description below. Let's see how to fill this form. On top right hand side, write the date on which you are filling this form. Next, write your company name. Next, write your company address. Next, write your name. That means who are handing over the keys. Next, write your designation. Next, write your department in which you are working. Next, in this part, you have to mention the key details. Like here you can see serial numbers. Next, you have to mention the description of the key, like main door key, storeroom key, meeting room key. Like whatever the keys you are handing over, you have to write that key name. And next, write the quantity. If you are handing over 2 keys, then you have to write it 2. Like that, you have to mention the quantity. Next, you have to mention the total number of keys you are handing over. Here it is 4. Next, you have to write the remarks. If any key is damaged, then here you can mention it. It is damaged, like that. If any remarks are there, then you can write it in this column. Otherwise, you can leave this column blank. Next, again mention the date on which you are handing over the keys. Next, you have to mention your details, like who is handing over the keys, like your name, designation, and here you have to put your signature and the date of handing over the keys. Next, you have to take the details of the person who is receiving your keys. Write his name, write his designation, take his signature here, and mention the date on which you are handing over the keys. So like this, you can use this simple office key handover form to hand over the keys after your exit or a part of your formal handover process in your office. And you can download this form PDF and Word formats in the video description below.